Okay, this is the 2011 Hurricane 188 Sun Deck boat. My name's Patrick. I'll be showing you this boat here at Best Boat Sales in Deerfield Beach, Florida. Beautiful boat. All the cushions are in excellent shape. It's powered by a Yamaha 115 4-stroke outboard motor. You got a front swim platform here with a ladder, anchor locker. It's got plenty of storage under all the seats. Got a digital depth sounder, stereo. Simple boat, has a capacity of up to 10 people legally. Give you a shot of the outside. The gel coat's in excellent shape as well. Just give you an overview here. Okay, bear with me 1 second while I hop out. It's got a real nice shine on the gel coat. Bimini top. Simple boat, very economical, excellent for entertaining. You can still take it offshore. It's got a tri-hull construction, so it's very stable. See the tri-hull there? Boat runs absolutely perfect, and it's ready to water test. If you're interested in sea trial on this boat, please call me, Patrick, directly at 561-289-9184, or you can email me, patrick@bestboatsales.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great boating day.